ज्ञान बड़ा नहीं, समझ जरूरी है। बुद्धि से होती हर भूल अधूरी है। बुद्धि से होती हर भूल अधूरी है। सामान्य सोच रखे जो सही, सामान्य सोच जो रखे सही, जीवन में जीत उसी की होती है। जीवन में जीत उसी की होती है।
That is the story of Kalidas. On the time of when we know that he is a great poet, but it's the time of when he had not know about common sense, etc. So he was born in the forest of cutting the tree branches, and he is go in the forest and he cutting that branch in which he is sitting. After that he fall down and he get injured. And after that the people said in Sanskrit that Kalidasa Tishanti Esha Sakhayam Desha Eva Chitanti, means in which branch he is sitting, he is cutting that stem, means branch. And after that I want to tell you that only one thing, and in the moral of the story, that is the have common sense, because if we have not common sense, we are as a means foolish.
In our daily life, two qualities that a person, character and wisdom, are answerability and common sense. These two are not just theoretical ideas, they are essential qualities that shape human behavior, relationship and decision making. My second
Answerability is, which means as how to speak and how to be responsible for our actions. And common sense, which means how to react and how to give answer and how to share your view on in the front of people.
This is my paper, and here I am representing the importance of answerability and the common sense. Answerability, we know that directly connected to our personality, how we can see, how we can speak, and how we can speak and how we can speak in our society. That is, here I explain that how can we meet everyone. If we meet everyone politely, they feeling good and they attract to our personality.
Answerability is being responsible for your mistakes, what you have done, and the common sense, how to fix the problem.
That how to both combine to impact our life. Answerability and common sense come together. They create a strong and positive thing in our life.
Yes, common sense is the other side of the coin. It represents intelligence.
Conclusion. Common sense give us a practical good decision in everyday life. It is interconnected to wisdom and good decision making in life. Knowledge give us information, power. Intelligence give us skill. Answerability give us strength. But common sense give us direction.